In this video, we'll see reading IMD data on daily climatic parameter in netcdf and converting them into weekly rasters. So I am having this IMD rainfall data for 2022. So we will be reading this using library raster and function stack. Now we'll see the names. Names are 44196 and one prefix is there. So this is 44196 represents the date, which means this is from 1st January 1901 is taken as day 1. So the 1st January 2022 will be 44196. So what we will take, we will be extracting this 44196 and removing this x. So that we can do it as subtract names of this RS and from 2 means 1, 2 to 6 and it will be as integer. So see, we have subtracted the names. Now these names here in this line, what we are telling? We are telling that the origin is 31st December 1900. So you convert them as date. So this x will be converted to date and taking the origin as 31st December 1900. So that the first day will be 1/1/1901. So now it is telling that 44196 will be 1/1/2022. So this is the 365 days. Now since we want weekly, so in every year will not start from Monday. So first we have to see weekdays of this date. So we will take a function start time, strf time, and supply this date and format will be weekly. So now you see 52 since this is the year December of 2021 and these 52 are for this year 2022. So we have to remove these two. So it may be 2, in some cases it may be 3 or 4. So what we will do? So now we will be removing these two from the rasters stack also and from the index also. So we are creating one more index x3. In that we are removing the 1 to 2 means first 2 of the x1 x2. So now you see it starts from 1. Now we can, if we wish, we can create a index with prefix of week like this, so that we are getting week 1, so 7 days, then week 2 similarly. So but in the last week we are having only 6. So we will also dropping the first two layers from the stack. So we are creating a rs2 and using function the drop layer and removing 1 and 2. So now we are having from 198 198 instead of 44196. So now we will be naming this rs2 as rx3.1 and see the names are week 1 and 7 will be there. So now we'll apply the function sum using function stack apply and with the index of r x 3.1 means weekly index. Now see the structure. We are having 52 rasters now, means weekly we have created. So we can plot. Now we can, for just for better feel, like we need to, if we want to remove this index underscore, so again we can subtract from it and then rename it and plot. See, week 1 to week 52 will be there. Now we can write weekly raster as, you have to use by layer is equal to true, and I am writing overwrite is equal to true also. So it will be writing 52 rasters from this week RF, and initial name I am writing weekly underscore 2022, so that it will be weekly underscore 2022 underscore 1 underscore 2 and up to underscore 52. So you can write here. See, weekly up to 52 it's there. So this is weekly rainfall for year 2022, developed from netcdf format rainfall data supplied by IMD. Thank you for watching.